Hello and welcome to taik18. I'm Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the bulk filter options. As you can see, I can able to see the information which is showing up here. For example, mountain bikes, and if I sort it ascending or descending, I can see the loading of the data here. Now, if you want to apply any kind of bulk filter, like you want to show only the value which is showing up here as a gray color, and also the model name you want to be used as storing pioneers here. If I select this option and then click on apply filter, then this is going to filter me the data here. That's cool. Now, if you don't need this option, just remove this here, and then you can select any of the other values here. So I can see if I select on the black here, and then if I select on this one, there are multiple model name available. If I select anything HL road frame and then click on apply filter, then this is going to give me the value of details here, which is showing up here on all these values. So we are just going to focus on this part in this video. There are multiple other things also available here. We're not going to focus on this particular video, but the other things we are going to cover on the other videos as well. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. I have seen a lot of people on my YouTube analytics that 90% of my viewers are not my subscribers. I'm going to repeat these words in upcoming videos here because I need to have more subscribers. With the help of you only can be possible. So I request you all please subscribe to my channel. Okay, coming back here. Now how this can be possible. Alright, now we will have a look into how this actually works. So I have these two drop downs here, which is if I click on this one, I can say this combo box, which is a CMB color filter, and this is a model filter. Hopefully it should be. Yeah, model filter. Now if I click on apply filter button, because generally it's going to apply here. So what I'm doing up here, I'm just using the clear collect dim product filter as a new collection. I'm just clearing the collection and then loading it again. What I'm doing up here. So filter, I'm applying a filter on the product table itself, which is the data source from the Excel file what I have. So I'm just taking the information from the product table and then applying a filter on the color column as well as on the model column. So what is these two are the column available on that particular Excel table. And here I'm applying the value of the color filter selected that value and for the color column, and for the model column, I'm taking the value from the model combo box here. So by applying these two filters and then loading it into a particular collection, and this collection I'm actually using up here on the table and as well as the gallery here. If I click on this gallery on the item property, you can see on the top, you can dim product filter. That is what it is showing up here. And also similarly, if I click on the table here, you're also going to show this, see the same result here. So dim product filtered here. So this is how you can able to do that. So by using a filter on multiple columns and passing a value from a combo box, you can actually filter the value of a collection. So in this demo, I'm just taking directly the value from the product data source itself. But in reality, in production, ideally you have to first of all load the information from your source into a collection, and that collection you have to repeat the thing here inside of the PowerApps. The reason is because if you are doing this step here, then it has to go and fetch the data from the source every time whenever user click on apply filter. And as multiple people are going to use this option, then it will be slow down the performance of your PowerApps. So it is recommended that you need to use a collection as a kind of a base collection inside to your app, and that collection need to be filtered and then reload here inside to your gallery. But if in your requirement that you have a case that you need to fetch a latest near real-time information, in that case, you can directly go and fetch the data from the source. So that's how it is. So this is how you can able to apply the filter, bulk filter, in PowerApps. If you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure to turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.